In La Crosse today, a unique event gave broken items a second chance. The La Crosse Public Library and Habitat for Humanity teamed up to host a repair cafe. The free event allowed the public to bring in broken items, and volunteers not only repaired them, but also taught attendees how to fix things on their own.
I love seeing all the different generations of people come through, and so the last one that we had, there was some children also learning from one of the volunteers on how to fix something, so I thought that was really cool. They actually fixed a little toy car, which was neat.
Attendees were welcome to bring in clothes, small furniture, and household appliances for repair.